Hi, I'm Nugroho Hari Anggoro from PGT Collab. As we have shown in the previous video, our project is to automate the water resources infrastructure in the Brantas River Basin. This time, we will show about the strategies that we will use to achieve this goal. The automation process needs to involve human resources. Inviting related parties from the start can ease the implementation process. The goal is that all TEM operators feel involved together so that the chain process is more acceptable. These are four steps in the process. First, conduct interviews directly at one location of the infrastructures. Second, conduct online interviews for other infrastructure locations. Third, conducting studies involving TEM operators. Fourth, socialize study result and conduct training to operators.
Hi, meet again with me, Ignatius Brian from PGT1 Collab. In the previous video, we have taken the first step by conducting interviews directly on the object of the study. Now, we will try to convey the second step that we have done. PGT1 manages 21 infrastructure in the Brantas River Basin. To obtain information on the readiness of the floodgate automation and the problem phase, we held an online meeting on 30 June 2021. Of course, with all the demo operator in the river basin. This meeting is our step to invite dam operators to be involved in the process of automating natural resource infrastructure.
Hi, I'm Abdul Razak. From the result of the online meeting, we compile data on the problem faced by each infrastructure. Here we try to show some problems as an example. In the Sengguro, Sutami, and Lahore Dam, and Merican Berets, some of the problem faced were minor damage in some parts and electrical problems. Another problem is the distance from the control room to the infrastructure, which is quite far, as well as the poor internet connection in some location. Of the 21 existing infrastructure in Brantas River Basin, we choose Merican Berets as the object of study because this infrastructure has a lot of gates. It is 46 gates, and manual operation is very burdensome for the operator with a large discharge occur and requires simultaneous gate operation.
Hi, I'm Fitri Julia. In implementing this project, we will use several leadership behaviors: engage, multiply, and feedback. We think this behavior is the most appropriate so that changes that occur will be more easily accepted by all parties concerned. In conclusion, we can say that inviting all parties to participate from the beginning is important in the implementation of the automation. Study began with a pilot project on the priority infrastructure first. Thank you and see you next time.